Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? So this is urgent news for all Polygon holder because the crypto market is completely fails down and Polygon is very fastly fails down from last day. So therefore, I'm so sad, my brother. But definitely all holders completely in the loss. So therefore, I make this update video, my brother, for all of you. And this is very urgent, my friend, because the prediction absolutely very important in this time. Can there is a chance to they moving upward? Can there is a chance to they give you a profit? Let's see, my brother. After this video, absolutely you understand, my brother. First of all, I'm gonna show you the latest update. This time you can see here they completely fails down, especially you can see here the last time. So this time you can see 0.23% they fails down and 1.18 USD dollar is the latest price of this time Polygon, my brother. If we check out the last 24-hour chart, then exactly, my friends, we understand can there is a chance to them moving upward or not. So let's see, my brother. Kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification, my brother. If you can see here the direction is completely go down, my friends, fails down. You can see here, so it's mean make sure to them fails down more and more. You can see here after a fails they also take a very good jump but very short jump. So it's mean to they cannot take a good profit, my friends, especially. But remember end of this month, my friends, especially the last week of this month, absolutely every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. So definitely it's a mean, my brother, to upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward and they completely go in the moon. So you need to hold and wait for the end of this month because, my brother, I know to they go in the moon in upcoming time. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and yeah, also press the bell icon for videos notification.